Alright guys, good morning. Out on another hunt. I'm going to try and do a kind of a live dig here. I've just dug around the plug, I haven't pulled it out of the ground yet. But if you can see on my detector, if you can see that one there guys, but it's kind of reading around about 37, 38. 37 to 38. Oh, there we go. Right. There we go. Right, I'm going to try and do this a bit live for you, so bear with me. Right. Let's get the plug out of the ground for a start. Let's see what we got. Right, let's see what the detector says about it. Right, looks like it's still in the hole. Yeah, it's still in the hole. Right, I'm just going to pop the pinpointer down into there and see if I can find out what it is. Right, might have to go a little bit deeper there. There we go. Something just down there. We're already around about 8 inches deep. Let's see what we got. All right. Let's see what you can find. Ah, there it is. I've got it. Ah. Yeah, okay, there you go guys. Don't normally do live digs, they're never successful, but this one has been. It's an old shoe buckle. So yeah, that's not a bad start. Not a bad start at all. First dig. There we go, guys. Sorry it's a bit messy, but I say I don't normally do live digs for obvious reasons. It's hard to do one-handed. I haven't got a tripod to set the camera up on, so I'm having to do it one-handed. But yeah, there we go. That's come out from a good depth, that has. Well, let's have a look. Let's try and see if we give you an idea. There you go. That's about, it's about 2, maybe 2 inches above my pro pointer, so maybe 10 inches, 11 inches down. And it was a really good signal too. So the old Seth Coyle's doing well. Right, guys. This also is another field that I've pretty much done a lot on, so that's good. I'm well happy about that. Right, on to the next. Okay, guys, I don't know if you can see that in the hole down there. Just down there. Just there, about, crikey, 10 inches down. There you go. We have a coin. Yeah, it looks like a halfpenny. Yeah, it is. By the look of it, it looks like it's going to be a George III, I imagine. Trying to get a better picture for you. Trying to get a better picture for you guys, but yeah, it is a George III. There's his head, just there. There we go. You can see it very well. But that's his head. Not a lot on the back. I'll clean it up, guys, and I'll get back to you in a minute. Okay. Alright, guys, I'm back. Just cleaned it up a little bit. It is 1807. Very badly worn, but it's a coin all the same. I say from about 10 inches down, it ain't bad. Right, get back to you. Right, guys, I'm really chuffed about this one. We'll see how deep it is. Probably only about 6-7 inches down. Huge signal, as it would do. This is a really nice find, this, for me anyway. I'm interested in this type of thing, but that looks to me like a military buckle. Look at that, guys. Look at that crown and lion on there. Oh, that is superb, and it's still got the clip on the back there. Oh wow, that has made my day. I found one of these a long time ago and I didn't think I'd find another one. That is superb, guys. I'm just going to clean it up and I'm going to get back to you with this because I think you will like this. This is lovely. Get back to you in a minute. Right, guys, I've cleaned it up. Let's just look at that. Look at that. That is superb. It's in perfect condition. Second World War, possibly. Maybe older than that, but I imagine Second World War. But that, guys, is as good as it gets as far as buckles go. That is unbelievable. Well, as far as military buckles go, that is... Look at that. That is superb. I'm made up. Absolutely made up. Right, guys, I'm glad I could bring you something really interesting there. There you go. Fantastic! Right. You don't often get them that good. Right, guys. Because they're big, you see. The plough sometimes bends them because they're a big target for the plough to get. But this has been pasture for a few years. and it's managed to survive the plough. Fantastic. Right, I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, you can't say my digs are not varied. I found a teapot spout. You don't dig one of them up every day, do you? Thank God. Yeah, but there we go. Just to show you guys that you never know what's going to come out of the ground. And I never thought that was going to come out of the ground. But there you go. Right. Okay guys, I'll see you at the next. Okay guys, just popped out the side of the hole. Don't know if you can make it out in there. It's around about 7 inches down. Just there. I think it's a coin of some sort. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's definitely a coin. Quite badly worn, mind. I think I can just about make out a bust or something on there. Give me a second guys, I'm just going to clean this up. Pop the camera down for a sec. Right, sorry about that guys. I've absolutely no idea who that is, to be fair. It could be George II, but I've not seen one of that type before. If I find out any more information on it guys, I'll get back to you and let you know. It's a bit of an interesting one. Okay, get back to you soon. Sorry about stuffing you in my pocket there guys for a minute, but I had to get it clean. Right, get back to you. Right guys, I have another one of them very strange gaming token type things. There we go. It's got 49.F.L, 49FL. Don't know what it means. No idea. Don't know. 49FL. Means nothing to me. If you know what it means, let me know, by all means. Okay guys. Quite a few of these I found now. Yeah, I don't know, doesn't mean anything to me, so yeah, it's a find though, as I always say, it's a find. Right guys, I shall get back to you. Right guys, just a quick one. Little brass keep for a keyhole. Not interesting at all really, but it's another find. Having said that, it's probably got some age on it. Right, I'll get back to you. Right, okay guys, I don't normally do a roundup, but I will today because I'm finishing a little bit earlier than normal. For some reason I've got a brewing aching back today, I don't know why, so I'm just going to cut it a bit short. I don't want to push it. Well, decent finds, obviously that military buckle, that's fantastic. Nice big shoe buckle there with a nice pattern around the edge, that's lovely. That was deep too. Obviously a musket ball, tiny buckle, George III halfpenny, the mystery one that I'm going to clean up, and I will get back to you on that one guys, because that's one of our kings I believe, or one of our queens, I'm not really sure, I can't tell. I'll get it in the electrolysis machine and get that done, see what happens. That gaming token, and another small button, that keep, lock keep there. The Curse of Pond Guru and his last hunt, half pennies. A dog, a dog tag, or a dog collar, and I believe the dog was called Barney, and there is a phone number on the back. I might give that a call, see if the owners are still around the area. And a teapot spout. Yeah, wasn't expecting to find that. Right, well guys, that's pretty much it for today. Some nice finds there, a couple of really good finds there that I'm happy about. Right, hope you enjoyed it guys, and I'll see you next time. Ta-da.